Good morning. Today is Thursday and I will be having my 3D design number 2 subjects. I woke up at 7:30 and it took me a while to get up from my bed, but I'm finally ready. I have my bag done and now I will make some coffee to take and probably eat some toast. And I have to leave as quick as possible because I have to print something before going to class. But basically, briefly, I will tell my plan today. After class, I will be having lunch, cleaning up the kitchen a bit, and then I have a nails appointment, so I will be making my nails pretty today. Then afterwards, I have to take my brother to fetch something from another place. Then afterwards, I have to do some packaging design for a competition of college, and then also record another video apart from this, which I'm recording right now. But anyways, let's just get going and have breakfast and then leave straight to college. I am back home and I just put my lunch to cook in the oven, and also I'm boiling some eggs. But while my food is in the making, I will try to actually finish my packaging design I have to do for a competition and do some work before doing it in the afternoon. I don't have really anything to say, only that today while we had 3D design too, and we are seeing the signage of a place, and we will be designing the brands and the different type of signs and all that. So I chose the Chinese market of Buenos Aires, and I will be basically doing my whole brand and signs related to the culture and the language of China. So yeah, I will be doing a lot of Chinese designs, which I love it because I'm actually interested in their culture and all that. So that's good for me. But anyways, I'll just now do the packaging design and then have lunch. Then afterwards I will be washing my dishes and then I have my nails appointment. I'm excited for that. So yeah, let's get into it. back from getting my nails done. This time I did some spring nails and it's like Aurora effects nails, basically. I love them. I'm actually in love with the color pink these days. I don't know why. I just change my favorite color every single week. And like as a designer, I just keep using that favorite color at that moment in my designs. But like before going to, to the nails appointment, I didn't wash the dishes because like I was so focused on doing the packaging design. I will probably be continuing doing that until my brother comes from school and then leave afterwards to like pick up the thing he has to pick. Then afterwards, I have to first of all record a video. Then second, I still have to do the packaging design if I don't finish now. And third, I will probably play a game of like Valorant because it's like premiere. I don't know exactly what, but I'll just be playing with my friends, just one game, and then I'll continue with the design, like the packaging design, if I don't finish, or I will be editing the video. But, anyways, I love my new nails. I'm really happy with them. And let's just continue doing the design. Okay, so like I finished that packaging design. If you didn't know, basically the competition is about like an energy drink, the speed one, collaborating with Sprint, which is a Argentine streamer. So basically my concept is like the power up of like the games with this style of pixel art, and I just inverted both colors in both designs. The green representing Minecraft because he does plays a lot of Minecraft, and the gray representing his mascot, which is the color gray. That's the whole concept. I hope I do win because I think there's a prize. I don't know if it's money or another thing, but well, if it's chosen, it will also be the design of the new speed can, which is crazy if I see my design in like the supermarket and all. But hopefully. But anyways, I'm still waiting for like the feedback of my professor. I asked her how it looked and how I can change it or anything, or I can just submit it as it is. And while doing that, I also ordered some food because I was in the mood of eating some empanadas. So just ordered that, and I think it will come in like 30-40 minutes, hopefully, because like I'm really hungry. I was thinking of like recording the video while I wait and all that, but like I am so tired, not gonna lie. And I don't know if I will be having the time to like record the video this week because tomorrow I have the whole day class and at night I have a birthday party, and between that I think I will be editing the video. Then on Saturday I will be tired of the birthday party at night, and then at I think 10 or 11 a.m. I have dance class, and then well I think I do have some homework to do, and on Sunday I will be hanging out with my family. So I don't know if I have time to record because I did start recording it yesterday. But anyways, I will wait for the feedback of my professor and wait for the food while I just chill a bit and relax because I've been literally doing so much things and like and I didn't have any break in between. And after like dinner at probably 8:30 or 9, I have to go to pick up the thing my brother needs. So that will probably take me 2 to 3 hours more. Hopefully finish it quickly. But yeah, That will be the whole day, the whole night. I'm already tired of thinking of it. So I'm not in the mood to go somewhere right now. First, it's cold, it's night, and I'm just tired. But yeah, guys, change of plans. I'm not going to that place I was going to go at 9 p.m. And I just finished eating dinner and it was so yummy. Also, I got the feedback and it's all okay. I just handed in the competition. And now, since I'm free and I'm not in the mood of recording the video, I had to. I'm just going to play some games and then go to sleep. Probably will be going to sleep early since I'm actually a bit sleepy. So yeah. Also, before anything, before like going to play some games, I just want to show you the thing I also printed for tomorrow, which is the cover of my magazine. The concept of the magazine had to be like art and design in Latin America, basically South America. So my logo is this one, and this is one of the covers. Basically, it's the two museums of Argentina, which are very, very famous. Now, the second one is actually also an Argentine designer. I don't know why I did everything Argentina. Now that I think about it, I should have done like other Latin America country, but well, we'll see if he chooses one of these. And he's basically a designer who made a lot of the signs here in Argentina, and he's a very cool designer, very like inspirational. His name is Ronald Shakespeare. Basically, those are the designs of the cover, which will be decided tomorrow if these two are okay, and we have to choose one or we have to do it all over again. So yeah, I will just be playing games and go to sleep. So that is all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.